Yes, thank you very much. Welcome back to this tutorial. Welcome back to No Max TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth issues on Windows 11. Maybe you have your computer and your Bluetooth is not working well, so I'm going to show you the simple and easiest ways you can use to fix issues on your Windows 11. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel, also please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and turn on the notification bell button so as you can find when I upload a new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now I'm going to open my computer, you see, then open settings. As you can see here, I'm going to open settings. Yes, these settings. So after opening settings, okay, so I'm going to come here on this option. You see here on this option on Windows updates. So after Windows update, so I'm going to continue. Yes, Windows update. Then I'm going to click here on update history. So update history. Yes, then after clicking the update history, I'm going to come here. You see there is recovery options. Now. So on these recovery options, I click here. So once I click on these recovery options also, I'm going to continue. You can see various options at the top of this PC. Also this option which is saying that fix problems without resetting your PC. So I can click here on this option, so I can start fixing my problems on my computer. So what I need to do is to click on this icon which is moving to light, so I can start navigating the option. So you see, so after clicking on this, I can see this now. There is troubleshooter. So there is troubleshoot either that troubleshooters. There is recommended troubleshooters preferences. Also you can see here asking you before running. Don't run, you can choose one, whatever you can choose whatever you think and you wish it can run automatically, or it don't run without notifying you. So you see here there is recommended troubleshooter option. So this option also shows you the ways you can troubleshoot some more services or devices on your computer. So you see it now it is saying that your device doesn't lack any recommended troubleshooters. So what I need to do below is to click on this. So to click on this, now on this tutorial we're going to work on this other troubleshooters. So you want to fix a Bluetooth. Now when you want to fix Bluetooth, you need to click on this other troubleshooters. So once you click on other troubleshooters, you can see there is Bluetooth, there is other devices, there is a printer, and there is so you see there are various options. You can choose one. So now what you do is we need to click on this option. It is called Learn. So you see the option is Learn here at the top right of my Bluetooth icons. You see Bluetooth icon is here, and you see this Learn. Now what I need to do is to click Learn. So once I click on Learn, you see my computer is starting learning and checking whether my Bluetooth can become capable or can be fixed. You see now it is turning on. Yes, you see now it's done order. So now you see now already my Bluetooth now also is fixed. So this is how you can fix Bluetooth issue in your computer. So it is the way which is simple and easy. So if your Bluetooth is not working, and if you feel that your Bluetooth is having issues in your Windows 11, you can use this trick or use these ways. Also Bluetooth is going to start working in your computer. So if you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, so, and turn on notification bell button so as you will get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Thank you for watching.